Hello, today we'll see how to create a RIMpro account. For this, just connect on rimpro.eu and you will land on this page. Here you could click on pricing and create account. Then you just have to choose the type of account that you want to open. If you don't know what the different types of accounts are about, you could read in our FAQ about the different types of accounts. In this case, we'll open an individual fruit or wine producer account, but the steps would be exactly the same with the other account. Then you just have to fill the formula with your name, surname, and other useful information. Don't forget to write your email correctly because this is where the invoice will be sent. Choose a username, a password as a username. Choose this, choose your password, and when it's done, just click on I did read the terms and create your account. Once you have created your account, you can already connect to it. So when there is no weather station connected into your account, the home page looks like this. So you can either connect a physical weather station or create a virtual weather station. The process is the same. It's just a little bit more steps to connect a physical weather station. There is plenty of documents on the different types of weather station and how to connect it in our FAQ. So for this demo, I will just use a virtual weather station. In this case, you can enter the GPS coordinates of your weather station or drag the blue marker directly where you live. So we'll pretend we are somewhere in France, for example. We'll call this station test 1. We have to select the European Central Time time zone, and then the weather station interface is a virtual one. Once your weather station has been created, it will already download all the weather data since the beginning of the year. In this case, you can see that now the home page is a map of your weather station network, in this case only one station. And you could check that the weather data are coming correctly into RIMpro clicking on weather data. We can see that we have a nice graph with the temperatures, relative humidity in gray, and rainfall in blue. And the weather data are supposed to be complete since the beginning of the year, so since 1st of January. So that's a correct weather data file. And then once you have checked these, you can open all the models and they should run okay with your weather data. Okay, we've just checked that the AppleScap model is working correctly and that the simulation is running. If you want to add another weather station, then you have to click on Administration and Locations. And there you can find a button, Add Location. And it works exactly the same as for the first example. So choose the coordinates, give it a name, select the time zone, and then save and quit.